What is the law of one? Where has it come from? Who brought the law of one? What does it teach? Hello everyone, this is the seeker of love and light, a humble student of law of one. मुझे हमेशा से ही क्वांटम साइंस, मेटाफिजिक्स, पैरानॉर्मल, कॉस्मोलॉजी, एक्स्ट्राटेरेस्ट्रियल्स और यूएफओ साइटिंग्स में काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट था. Ultimately, I wanted to know who really created the universe. In 2022, I came across a very interesting book named The Ra Contact or The Law of One. This is an introduction video to give you an idea about this book and what is the Law of One. जिन्होंने ये बुक्स बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ी, सो उनके लिए दिस विल बी समथिंग न्यू, और जिन्होंने ये बुक्स पढ़ी है, it can help them in clearing some concepts and get new information about the Law of One. So the Law of One or the Ra Contact is a series of 5 books written by Don Elkins, Carla Rueckert and Jim McCarty between 15 January 1981 to 15th March 1984, who received the spoken communications in this book while in meditative state, जिसे हम trance state भी कहते हैं. All these books which are channeled are in a Q&A format, question and answer format. Don was the questioner, Carla was the one who was channeling, and Jim was the one who recorded and edited this material. If you don't know what is channeling, so channel वो होता है जो ट्रांस स्टेट में जाकर किसी एलियन या डिसएम्बॉडीड एंटिटी, जिसे हम स्पिरिट या आत्मा कहते हैं, उनसे कम्युनिकेट करते हैं and allows that entity to speak through them. So in these books, the entity whom the trio channeled refers to themselves as Ra, R-A, Ra. Ra is not an individual entity, but they are an entire civilization of the extraterrestrial beings that are fused into one unified consciousness, also known as the social memory complex. They are connected to each other through thought or telepathy, like a hive mind, जो आपने ये concept आपने अवतार movies में या Stranger Things में देखा होगा. So who is Ra? They are the 6th density beings and they are made up of pure energy, और उनकी bodies पूरी light से बनी हुई है. They are millions of years more advanced than us and dimension की वो हमारे sun में रहते हैं, सूरज में. हमारे planet की ancient history में Ra is known as the Egyptian god of the sun. But they state that when they visited Egyptians, they came as brothers and sisters and not as gods. So उस वक्त इजिप्ट में वो आए थे because the Egyptian civilization at that time had developed a culture or a belief system which prepared them to understand the concepts of the law of one. But उनकी information और उनकी teachings को misunderstand और distorted किया गया. And these messages and teachings were kept only for the elites and the royals and not for the benefit of poor and common people. And that's why Ra वहाँ से चले गए. But they continue to observe Earth's development from a distance. So in a typical session, Ra is called during a trance state और वो Carla के through बोलते थे. And then Dawn used to ask the questions. One thing that we found very amazing in this channeling was the fact that बहुत बार Ra has refused to answer any question that would infringe their free will. What is free will? Free will is the most important law of the universe, which our creator or God has made, जिसे सारी higher density की civilizations हर planet पर follow करती है. Ironically, हमारे planet पर free will का concept लोगों को पता ही नहीं है, और अगर पता भी है, even then, इसे follow नहीं किया जाता. As the sessions go ahead, you will realize how your free will has been infringed so carelessly over so many years, and how knowingly and unknowingly you have also infringed some other people's free wills. These teachings resonated with a lot of people, including us. They also answered some of the deepest questions humans have about the nature of reality, and they even filled the gaps between some of the mysteries of our past, like pyramids किसने बनाए? Where did the humans come from? And why did the ancient civilization on Earth had so much technology? We are going to make a series of videos which will correspond to each session of the book, but we will try to summarize the information and the messages for you to understand. And finally, what is the law of one? It means that everything is simply one, सब कुछ एक है, which means all things that exist are ultimately the same essence with many forms and configurations. Before the universes or the beings existed, only the one infinite creator existed. However, it could not experience itself because after all it was itself. So to experience itself, It distorted its energy into basic parts called love, light, and the three primal forces. All other substances and the forms come from interaction of these three basic distortions. This is how Ra describes the law of one. In truth, there is no right or wrong. There is no polarity. For all will be reconciled at some point in your dance through the mind, body, spirit complex. You are everything, every being, every emotion, every event, every situation. You are unity, you are infinity. You are love light, light love. This is the law of one. Thank you everyone. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more sessions ahead. Thank you.